Hey y'all, Venture Brad here, and today we're talking about the Caddx Peanut. This is a FPV optimized camera made by Insta360 Go, and the point of this video is to address some of the shortcomings that are part of it, and that is this. This is a peanut pod, and this is to fix what Caddx didn't do for you out of the box. So anyways, this camera is optimized, like I said, for FPV use, so it's lighter, it's more durable, and some features that we're not going to talk about here, but that's what it's for. But the problem is that us FPV guys don't just sit in a pretty studio all the time. We're in the field, we're in the parks, we're in the woods, we're in the deserts, and we're hard on stuff. So they provided in the box a camera, some ND filters, and that's it. And this little adapter and charger and blah, blah, blah. But no way to like really charge, move this stuff in the field. So that's the whole point of this. It's designed to be compact, fit alongside with a Peanut. Actually, this is a little case that I store everything in. Little microfiber cloth in here and stuff just to keep it whatever. But then that way I can throw it all in my pocket, feel it safe, float it in my flying bag, whatever. And it's all together. So what do we have here? Well, on the back is a little adapter. Wow, I've never had this not want to come out. Normally it comes right out, and my fingers are a little oily right now. But it's designed to fit in, not as tight as I'm showing it here. It uses the magnet that secures it to the back of the Peanut to secure it into the case. And all that noise you're hearing in the background is Shackleton the Explorer playing. And this is the ND filter side. So you'll need two magnets, 8mm width or diameter by 2mm width. Are commonly available, hardware storage, Harbor Freight, online, all that. It's a very universal magnet. I use a junk out of these. So that holds your USB-C adapter on the back here out of the way. And then the part that's the magic is the ND filter. So these just thread on here. And just threads on. When you're threading this, these files are available on Thingiverse. Just look up Peanut Pod. Free, share, like. If you ever see these for sale, hound them, because none of my files are allowed to be for sale. They're only for personal use. You know, your buddies print stuff out, that sort of thing. So the ND screw on and off there. There's enough recess design that it doesn't hit when screwed all the way down. And even if it's not, there's a little ridge on the filter so it doesn't rub. So it fits together really nicely. That's the Peanut Pod. The next little bit I wanted to show you is here. This is the factory clip that's for it, but Caddx Insta360 Go decided they wanted to go proprietary and not use a standard, probably for legal reasons, but everything uses the GoPro mount. So I wanted a GoPro, or I wanted to use a factory injection molded clip here on GoPro, and I wanted it to be more universal. So, and it comes with hardware, so I designed this mount, also available on Thingiverse, to use the factory hardware, print it laying on its side so the build surface is here, and then that way all your layers go through this main bit here and up through here, and that'll give you the most strength. It's thinned up versus normal GoPro dimensions in here, because most of these TPU mounts that are included on quads are printed oversized, so everything fits thick. So that's why this is thinned up. And then the third little bit that I wanted to show you, so if you throw you in, it fits kind of snug, but if you put your up, now we're on and recording. We're recording ourselves. If you're like me and you want to have everything kind of grab and go, there's a little lens cap, also available on Thingiverse. It's part of the pod files. It's not its own little thing. It just goes on here. It's designed to fit out on the outer rim here, not push on the face. So it keeps plenty of room from your ND filter in case any debris gets in there. And then I got a couple of these little rubber bands. I think they came with USB cables or something, but they're perfect for this. A lady's hair band, hair tied, a rubber band, doubled up, whatever. But it's just, it's a way that I can put all this in here, fold it all flat. It keeps a fairly low profile, so I can throw it in my bag or my backpack or whatever. Then when I get somewhere, I just flip this up. Normally the little magnet, but this is the power bit that Caddx provides to power the camera from the copter, so you don't have to rely on the internal battery. Normally I just clip that there unless I'm going to use it. And then in flight, actually, the lens cap comes off. The rubber band helps secure the Caddx Peanut in and the little magnet on the back. And then that way I don't lose it and it's all ready to go. I tighten up these two Allens real quick and we're in the air. So anyways, that's the Caddx Peanut pod, the GoPro adapter bit, and lens cover that I wanted to share with all you guys. Again, available on Thingiverse. If you see the parts for sale, somebody's stealing from me, and that's not cool. So print them yourself, trade your buddy a coffee, adult beverage, a thanks, whatever. Have them print them for you. I don't care about that. I just don't want them sold on eBay. Anyways, y'all have a good day now. You hear?